Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make my variation of a Chinese 5-spice duck bun. I start with my spices. I have here sugar, salt, Chinese 5-spice, cumin, and celery salt. I pat my duck dry and then I rub on my dry spices. Then I heat up my pan and I usually like to use coconut oil. So when that starts to smoke slightly, I put my duck in, skin side down. And once that's brown, I flip it over and I finish it off in the oven. Then I start on my sauce. I zest and juice half an orange. I put in some hoisin sauce, sugar, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and a little bit of chili powder. Then I stir it up. Now I check my duck and I check the temperature and make sure it's at 165 or above. I take it off and I put it aside and let it rest. So now I'm going to start my steamer. I have a pot with about 2 inches of water and I put my bamboo steamer on top. Once it's hot and steaming, I spray on some oil and I throw in my buns. So I start slicing a radish and a cucumber to accompany my duck buns. And then I use the rest of this orange for garnish. So by now the buns should be ready and I pull them off the heat and I start assembling my buns. So you could assemble this any way you want. I start with the duck. I put the cucumbers on the top of that, then the radishes on the bottom. I finish it off with the sauce, and then I garnish with the orange slices. And these are my 5-spice duck buns. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Thanks.